Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another one of Rexy's adventures. So I'm taking you along with me today to see if we can find the Bells Rapids, it's called the water park. So whenever I'm at Bells Rapids, I always see this cool waterfall up in the hills. Never know how to get to it. I've done some searching. I've gone on Instagram and apparently there's a swing there. And so I'm just looking at my phone at the moment, trying to get directions. There's a swing there, there's a waterfall, and it reckons this is the way we go. So I thought I'd take you with me, see if we can find it. And yeah, let's see how we go. I'm going to go over to this little lookout here and see if we can see anything or find anything. It was really sunny earlier, and of course the clouds are coming over, so it's making it a bit dull, and it's actually a little bit chilly. Haven't brought a jumper, so that's dandy. Oh, I can hear water. Oh wow. Oh cool. That's not what we're chasing, but that's cool. All right, let's keep going. I wonder if it's that down there. So I'm looking at the maps and I think I need to go right somewhere, but I'm trying not to just completely go bush bashing, but I've just seen some people down there. So I wonder if they're going towards it. So I might, it looks like I can go right just here. We'll have a look, see if I can turn right and find it. So that's Bells Rapids over there. It says I'm very close to this waterfall. Let's have a look. It's over this way. I think I may have found the area. Meant to be a swing here, and I think this might be the actual waterfall, so we'll go and explore there in a minute. This is pretty cool. Let's go this way and have a look. There's a little track. Let's follow this, shall we? See what we can find. Did not know all of these tracks were here. I love being a tourist in my own city. Spiderweb, 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 spiderweb. I think we found the spot. I just need to find the waterfall. I wonder if it's over that side. So I need to get across. Let's go this way, so I can get across over here. Okay. Lots of little walking tracks around here. Oh, the swing. Is that it up? I don't know, where am I? I think it's up here somewhere. I think I can see kids on it. So I might have to have a wander up to there. So let's just have another squizzy along here. Oh wow, where am I going? Oh, out. So yeah, there's like a little pass through here. Yes, I found the waterfall. Okay, I'm gonna try and get a better view of it. Let's see where I can go. So I kind of need to go down, and we all know how clumsy I am. I kind of want to follow that trail, but I'm also a little bit terrified of walking into spiderwebs again. Let's have a look down here. So I'm thinking there's a track up here. I'm thinking if I go back up this way, go across to the swing and then come down. All right. Let's try and go for a bit of a wander down here. See if we can get some better views of that waterfall. So I'm sort of following a path, sort of, not really. I'm gonna get down to the waterfall, to that bottom little pool bit to there. We'll have a look. It's pretty hard going down here. Shouldn't have worn white shorts, or beige shorts, whatever you call them. But I didn't think I'd be doing this much rock climbing. They'll wash. Oh. There's the waterfall. So I'm trying to get down to this bit here. We're gonna make it. I'm also very terrified that I still have a spider on me from earlier. So I've got to get back up. How cool is this? Perth's famous hidden waterfall. How cool. How amazing is this place? Just, wow. So glad I found this waterfall. Just look at it, it's just beautiful. I live here. All right, let's go and have a wee explore down this way. I love waterfalls, absolutely love them. Wow. Pretty sure that's a fig tree. They're not ripe yet though. Fig jam. So that, pretty sure if you followed that round here, you'll come to Bells Rapids. Check out my other video that I did taking you to Bells Rapids. I can't believe I finally found this place. It is absolutely gorgeous. Right, now I have to navigate my way up this big hill and then find whereabouts I parked my car. This has been absolutely incredible. I'm blown away by that waterfall. I'm going to turn the camera off now and attempt to make it up here without stacking it. I just found another swing. Wow, this is cute. This little swing. Oh, that's a well needed sit down. Oh, this little cute swing. Oh. Don't forget to give the video a like if you're enjoying it. Been a few videos around Perth lately. I do have a holiday booked for Tassie in a month's time, so I'll be taking you along with me to Tassie. I've never been there before, so very excited to explore Tassie. But in the meantime, just finding hidden gems around Perth. Perfect weather to be going out chasing waterfalls and just seeing the beautiful outdoors that Perth has to offer. I could sit here all day, but I am getting rather hungry. I kind of need to find my car and go and seek food. All right, rest stop over. let's continue on. All right, found the track to get back to my car. So I'm going to sign off here. If I see anything else cool on the way back, I'll film it and pop it in. But otherwise, thank you for coming along on another one of our adventures. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And yeah, we'll catch you at the next adventure. Woo! Hey, beautiful girl. We're back.